Leonard Leos, better known as Pa Diggin, formerly of Sarot but resided at Grand Riviere Dennery, passed away at his residence on Monday, March 3, 2014 at 9:14 a.m. He was 81 years old. Left to mourn his companion, Ursula Chalry, of Grand Riviere Dennery, formerly of Dacriter Choiseul. One daughter, Mary Cox, also known as Tourist or Patricia, vendor at the Castries Market. One son, Richardson Cox, also known as Lenny or Mashup, both of Sarot. 6 stepchildren, Ansha Chalry Edwin, and family of Houston, Texas, pharmacist, technician. Esther Fulgence and family of Chaussee Road, Castries. Verlin Fulgence Alexander and family of Dacriter Choiseul. Neola Jordan and family of Barbados. Bitterlin Fulgence and family of Dacriter Choiseul. Jacqueline Fulgence of Miami, Florida. 11 adopted children including Winston and Cletus Antoine and their families of Tomaso Dennery, Clea Charles of Sarot, Angela, Lance, Brian and Garvin Henry, all of Balata, Marilyn Antoine and family of Tomaso, Margaret Antoine and family of Tomaso, Aaron McKay of Grand Ravine. Grandchildren, Samia Oliver of Millet, Malika Inolis of Sarot, student of the Corinth Secondary School, Richardson Inolis of Sarot, student of the Vidbutai Secondary School, Maria Olivier of Sarot, Joseph Felix of Sarot, also known as Funtime, Yasmin Estefan of Boaden Jackmill, McQueen Cox of Millet, Ruben Cox, also known as Shaba of Sarot, Lee Cox, also known as Tikoko of Sarot, Christelina Cox, also known as Tina of Sarot. Great-grandchildren, Aliyah Inolis of Sarot, student of the Bexar Primary School, Leona Inolis of Sarot, student of the Bexar Infant School, Crystal Cox of Sarot, student of the Babono Secondary School, Lachika Cox of Sarot, student of the Ave Maria Primary School. Nephews including Nicholson Lucien and family of Dennery, Thomas Lucien and family of Tomaso, Wells and family of Sarot. Nieces including Lucy Leos, also known as Ayo and family of Tomaso, Magdalene Joseph, also known as Doom and family of Sarot, Fortuna and family of Chasse Babono, Lucretia Eugene, also known as Titi Girl, residing in Martinique, close cousins Augustine Lennox and wife of Mondador Castries, Sabina and Vanessa Leos of Tomaso, brothers-in-law including Winston Chalry of Dacriter Choiseul, Raphael Raymond, also known as Leonard of Grand Riviere and family, Lennox Chalry, also known as N.O., now of St. Croix, sister-in-law Ifelda Edward and family of Marigot, best friends Peter Boulogne, also known as Gigi of Grand Riviere Dennery, employee from Bally's Funeral Parlor, Castries, Louis Chalry and Carmen of Tiroche Miku, Josephat Abraham of Grand Riviere Dennery, close friends Ancila Pauline, also known as Silo, who was also his caretaker of Grand Riviere Dennery, Bernadette James and family, and Alan Emmanuel, both of Grand Riviere Dennery, Gerard Evans, also known as Ja Ruby of Mondador, Castries, Brandy of Tomaso, Marcia, shopkeeper of Castries, very close friend Leonard Modest of Castries. Also left to mourn are other members of the Leos, Lucien, Cox, Charles, Henry, Vanel families of Sarot, Millet, Tomaso, and Balata. Other relatives and friends, too numerous to mention, including the entire Sarot, Tomaso, and Grand Riviere communities. The Thanksgiving service for the life of the late Leonard Leos, better known as Pa Digging, will be held at the St. Michael's RC Church in Larichous, Dennery, on Thursday, March 20th, 2014 at 2 p.m., and then the body will be laid to rest at the Larichous Cemetery. The body now lies at the Ramballi's Funeral Parlor, Calvary Road, Castries. May his soul rest in peace.